Well, good evening, everyone. It's Lonnie. We are back in the shed, and it is Sunday night. I had a good day today. I watched a little football. I did some yard work, hung out with family. I haven't really done much on eBay. I did stay up last night pretty late working on some listings and whatnot. Let's before we pull some orders, because I want to pull orders tonight so I'm not too far behind for tomorrow. But before we pull orders, let's take a look at the momentum board. This is the board of listing. Goal $32,000 in listing in 80 days. We as of yesterday, we were on day 8, so about 10% of the way through. Let's see, Saturday I listed 13 for 525. Friday I listed 8 for 298. So far, 8 days in, 10% of the way through, $6,163 in product listed. Average listing per day, 770. Total number of items, 102. Average selling price per item is 60 bucks. So that's where we're at on the listing. It's going well, and it's going to continue to go well as long as I have good inventory. I think my inventory is going to hold for a while. I don't know that it'll take me all the way through, though. We'll find out, though. It'll be interesting to see. I did have a question the other day about where are these items at. I put there are links to my store that I have on Big Cartel. It's garageflips.store, and then I have 2 other links in the description for my eBay stores. Most of the inventory that I'm posting right now is going up on the first store, which is Mean PC. That's my main store. I haven't really listed much on the other store lately. So let's go ahead and pull some orders. Let's see what's sold. Sales, listings are good. Sales are strong. The shed is chaotic. I've got stuff all over the place. I'm working through it. That's all I can do. Am I overwhelmed? Not really. I'm actually in a pretty comfortable spot because I know exactly what I'm going to do. I know how I'm going to do it, and I know it's going to be successful. Things are just kind of disorganized in this area and a mess. The good news is, though, is that my inventory system, or my new inventory system that I've been using, where I'm labeling shelves, that's been working out well, and I'm gonna expand that as I need to. So let's pull some orders. Okay, I got a Batman Arkham Knight, supposed to be on this shelf right here, the top B shelf. I bet this is it. Yep, this is it right here. This sold for $19.99 plus shipping on top. This one's going out priority. Another Batman fig. It's a Batman and Two-Face. Well, I got lucky. It's right in front of me. And as is the case with quite a few of these are new, but the boxes, as you can see, have some wear. I adjust the price accordingly for that. $26.99 plus shipping on top for this one. All right, then I have a New Adventures of Batman figure going out. Should be on this shelf somewhere. Here it is right here. As a matter of fact, I'm pretty certain that this figure here, let me make sure it's the right one. Pretty sure it is. 01. Yeah, this is him. $14.99 plus shipping on top. This figure right here actually sold the other day, and then the buyer sent a cancel request, which I canceled it, refunded, relisted, and then it sold a day or 2 later. So no big deal, right? Okay, Pop A shelf. I sold a model. It's not the Hulk. It's the Spider-Man. It's right here. This shelf I'm really loaded down. So it'll be good to get a few things off of this shelf. It'll make it easier to find other things. But yeah, this is a Amazing Spider-Man Polar Lights model. It's not sealed outer box, but all the inner parts are sealed. Sold this to a viewer named Christopher. So Christopher, thanks so much. I hope you enjoy your model. I appreciate it. $10.99 plus shipping on top for that. All right, next up is actually the most expensive pop I've ever sold. Pretty excited about this one. It's this little Batman pop that is a speaker. It's a pop audio portable speaker is what it's called. I actually have another one too that I listed. It's right there. The box isn't quite as good as this one. So anyway, I got $99.99 plus shipping on top for this. So that was an excellent sale. And it was in used condition, so I went ahead and took it out, hooked it up, tested it out, and it didn't sound great, but it sounded probably like it's intended to sound. I have a next up is a model here. It is. I knew it was down here. This is Air Force One. This was made in China. Looks like an older model though. It's still sealed in the plastic. It's a 1/300 scale. Picked this up in Tennessee a few months back, and Christian, a viewer, bought it. So let's see, $23.74 plus shipping on top. Christian, thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the model. All right, next up, this little deck of Hunchback of Notre Dame cards from the Disney movie. Sold these. I took a best offer of $4 plus shipping on top for these. Some more Batman to pull. It's on this shelf here. It is a Batman multi-pack. I believe it's this one, but I'm going to double check it. Wait, it might not be this one. Let me look. Yeah, I think it is this one actually. Yep, Batman and Joker Movie Masters multi-pack. Toys R Us exclusive. Sold this for $28.49 plus shipping on top to Mike. Mike, thank you very much. I hope you enjoy it. I really appreciate the sale, dude. All right, this is a big one coming up. Biggest sale of the weekend, I would say. It's this Batman Batman and Catwoman statue. Batman and Catwoman making out. $384, I believe it was. I ran a 5% sale over the weekend. Sales they weren't slow, they were just a little sluggish. And I've been playing around with the promoted listing stuff and everything, and I'm not going to say anything about the promoted listing thing because I don't want to tell anybody else what to do, and I'm not really sure what works best myself. But I have been promoting for quite a while at 1%, and I don't know, I feel like it works pretty well. I turned off, as a test, I turned off promoted listings altogether the other day. Y'all probably know why, because some of the recent information that came out, and it really, it's hard to say because it's such a small sample size. It really seemed to me that sales were sluggish, so I turned it back on. I applied 1.1% promoted to everything in my store, and I also ran a 5% sale at the same time that ends tomorrow, and sales started picking up. Not that they were slow anyways. I mean, the past 7 days I've done like 2,600, which is really strong, which mostly has to do with listing good product. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. I've been watching all the promoted listing stuff. I think there definitely may be some overreactions. I don't know. I'm not going to say anything else, but that's what I'm doing right now. I'm doing 1.1%. Okay, this is my little shelf where I keep, I've kind of decided I'm going to start keeping like the inventory from my own store on this one shelf here. Or I might clean off another shelf and do 2 shelves if, you know, it seems like it makes sense. But anyway, I pulled this one the other day because I wanted to make sure I had it because I got an offer. It's like a couple of chess pieces, Lex Luthor and Superman Eagle Moss chess pieces. I took an offer, $13.50 plus shipping on top. It's actually going out to a viewer, which I didn't know when she made the offer that she was a viewer. She didn't tell me, but now she did. Her name is Lexi, so hi Lexi, thank you very much. And she said her friends call her Lex Luthor. So there's a Lex Luthor coming your way, Lexi. Again, thanks for the order, I appreciate it. All right, we're headed to Pot B Shelf. We're getting this guy right here, Johnny Quick with Atomica. That little Atomica thing there. I have no idea about either one of these. The box is pretty beat. I sold this for $13.99 plus shipping on top. All right, this is a nice little sale. I took a best offer last night on this F14. I know exactly where it is because I pulled it last night just to double check the weight, condition, etc. This is an F14 Tomcat by Hobby Master, and I took a best offer of $102 plus $18 shipping because it's going to Canada. It's going simple export rate. I think it was like £3 simple export rate it's going. So yeah, that was a good sale. Okay, let's pull some more orders here. I had to go take a break for a little while, go take care of some stuff. The next order, I sold a Captain America. They're both on this shelf. Captain America model for $19.99. And I also sold, I think it's, was it two? I think it's two. Two of these, okay, yeah, here's the other one. Two of these Eagle Moss Superhero Collection figures. Let me go set them down so I can show y'all. All right, yeah. Yeah, Batman and Joker Eagle Moss Superhero figures, and then this Captain America. These were $21.99, I think, and these are both going out to Brett. Brett, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the stuff, and I hope you get Captain America built. And Captain America is just like the Spider-Man model back there. It's new, everything's sealed inside, but the outer box was not sealed. So thanks again, Brett. Sold a couple of, this is a good sale, just happened a little while ago. Sold a couple of WDCC figs. I sold this Buzz Lightyear right here for 123 something for him. And then I sold this pig. Put this over here so it doesn't fall down. I sold this pig for, it was 40 something. It's on the screen, but this is a really nice order. Y'all can see I don't have that many of these WDCC things left. So going well. These are taking a little longer to sell now, but I have a feeling that with fourth quarter approaching, holidays approaching, I have a feeling these are going to be bought as gifts for the holidays. So yeah, those are going out. Sold a deck of these Outer Limits cards for $6.99 plus shipping on top. This is the 9th deck of these I've sold. So these are not obviously not very big money, but they've been listed for a long time. But it was one listing to sell so far. What on this particular deck set of cards, 9 times 7, 63 bucks. I've got 2 left. Okay, moving over to my second account. I sold a train engine. It's a Santa Fe powered train. I have two of these are dummies. Yeah, that are not powered. This one was powered. Got $19.99 plus shipping on top for this one. And the other thing I sold in the second account was this Batman Automobilia car from The Killing Joke. It's got this bubble cockpit Batmobile thing here. $14.99 plus shipping on top for that. Okay, now we're going to the Garage Flips store account. Just right here. This is going out to Duong. He paid $19.99 plus shipping on top for this Boondock Saints pistol or gun mug. So thank you very much, Dwong. I appreciate it. And then Katie bought this Spider-Man bank for her husband. This is a vintage 1978 here. Pretty cool, right? Katie bought that for her husband. I'm running out of room, so I'm gonna put it over there. $29.99 plus shipping on top for that. Thank you very much, Katie. I hope he likes it. She said, my hubby saw this on your video and instantly showed me the pic of him as a small boy in his wallet holding this awesome Spider-Man bank. Had to get it for him. So yeah, I hope he likes it. And finally, Daniel bought 4 Funko Pops. I listed 5 and he bought 4. 1, 2, 3. I think that he bought this one. Yep, he bought that one. 3 and 4. So he got the Judge Dredd for $22.99. This is a pretty good one here, but it's got kind of a crummy box. Otherwise, this would be about a $40 pop probably. But he got it for $22.99. The Batman versus Superman glow in the dark for $9.99. And then he got 2 Ghost Riders. One glows in the dark. This one right here, he picked that up for $21.99. And then he got the non-glow in the dark version for $19.99. So total order was $74.96 before shipping. So thanks a lot, Daniel. Really appreciate it. All right, so that is everything going out. That's a lot of stuff, huh? That is going to be a pretty good bit of packing, but pretty easy to pack too. Not too hard. But yeah, that's everything going out. Sales are going well. Listings going well. I'm going to end this video here. I'm going to do maybe a little bit of packing tonight, but I am going to try and get at least one more thing listed. I think I'm close to 400 for the stuff I listed early this morning. I think I might try and get one more thing listed. Probably that Ghost Rider guy right there. So I will see y'all again next time. I think I am going to start answering viewer questions again, or comments. Replying to comments and things like that in the next video. So I will see y'all again. I hope y'all are doing well. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.